All right, let's talk about how you get paid in the internet income system. So you're looking around, you're wondering what kind of commissions you can make with the internet income system. So in this video, I want to talk about what you can make as a free affiliate. There are three levels: free affiliate, super affiliate, and master affiliate. In this video, I want to concentrate on the free affiliate, and then I'll make two other videos, a series of three, and talk about the super affiliate and the master affiliate. So when you first start, you're going to be a free affiliate. Everybody starts as a free affiliate. There's no way to buy your way up to, a super affiliate or master affiliate. So it's a level playing field for everyone. So in this video, what I want to do is I want to talk about how you get started and then how you can start making money. So before I get into the commissions here, let's go into the internet income system and talk about what you're going to get. So initially, when you sign up as a free affiliate, you're also signing up as a free student. And that's really all you're going to do as an affiliate, is to get as many free students as possible to join the internet income system, and then just let the system go to work and help you make sales to where it uses invisible selling. And I'll explain a little bit more later if you don't know what invisible selling is. You invite somebody in the system, they get in, they get training, they get value, and then through invisible selling, you have the opportunity to make more money as an affiliate. So again, let's recap. If you didn't see any of my other videos, as a free affiliate or as a student, you're automatically going to get access to training Zooms live every day of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. They just added a Friday training Zoom. And then also on-demand training academies that are absolutely free. So you got Facebook Marketing, the Meta Marketing Masterclass, Website Design Academy, Faceless Content, YouTube, paid traffic, bridge marketing, viral clipping, and they're going to continue to add more. This was just an update video here, not just an update video. Jeff is doing an incredible job making updates every single day in the system. And if you've seen any of my other videos with these on-demand academies, you're going to see he did an upgrade to where the actual experience of going through a free training is really, really streamlined and really, really nice. So as a free affiliate, you're a free student yourself. You get access to all these courses. You can come in and you can start learning. Again, as you see, it looks incredible. Here's all the training here: overviews, transcript, resources, reviews. Let's go to resources, transcript. Just made it really nice and really user friendly for you as an affiliate and also you as a student. And again, the only responsibility you have as an affiliate, if you're looking to earn money, is just invite people to set up their free student account, and they come in, they watch the training, and then the system will use invisible selling to get them to get your free student to use the tools and resources talked about in that training. In this example, it's FriendFilter. FriendFilter has an affiliate program. You can sign up for it as an affiliate and earn some extra money. And then we have the live streams. Again, every day of the week: Mindset Mondays, Toolset Tuesday, Workshop Wednesday, Super Zoom Thursday, and they just added High Level Mastery. Again, these are all free. So you're talking about hours and hours and hours of free training to be able to help you as a marketer, and then also be able to help anybody that you see online. Let's say you come across your friend who's in network marketing and they're struggling, and you see them posting a bunch of spam on their page and just doing marketing the wrong way. Now you can say, hey, I have something that can help you. Would you like a free marketing academy from an 8-figure marketer to teach you how to do that properly? It doesn't cost you anything. They're like, yes, please. You send them the link. Your friend signs up for the Meta Marketing Masterclass, and now they're a free student at yours. And if they buy anything ever, they're hard coded to you, and you can earn money. So let's get back into what you can make. So as you see here, we have a 3-tier affiliate system. In this video, I'm going to concentrate on the free affiliate. I'm going to do a 3-part series, talk about free affiliate in this video, then talk about the super affiliate, what you can earn there, and what you can earn as a master affiliate. So in this video, you would join as a free affiliate, click on the link below, set up your account, and get in. You're now one of my free students, but you're also an affiliate, and what you need to do is just go through a quick onboarding to say, yes, I want to become an affiliate, and now you're a free affiliate of the system. Again, everybody starts as a free affiliate. This is not pay to play. can't buy your way up to super or master affiliate. What Chris and Jeff did is they saw a problem in the industry where a lot of programs out there, you actually have to pay in order to promote. And they wanted to take that away because they know there are a lot of people out there struggling to learn affiliate marketing and then also to earn money with affiliate marketing. So they took away any barriers in order for you to make money. So you can get in, you can start sharing, get free students in, and if they decide to buy something later on, you're going to earn the commissions. And the commissions for a free student, as you see here, you get paid 30% on any of the core line products. And you might be like, well, what's a core line product? A core line product is any of the academies inside of the system. So let me go back over to the Internet Income System. So we have all our free trainings here. And as we move forward, there's going to be paid trainings at different levels. Like maybe they put a $47 course in there. Maybe they put a $97 course. Maybe they put a $497 course and a $997 course. So basically just think about as your basic level trainings, which are really solid training, which with a lot of great strategies to help you succeed. Let's just say one of your free students watches the YouTube Marketing Academy and they're like, this was awesome. And then Chris came out with another Marketing Academy like version 2 and he priced it at like $497. Well, if your free student decided to buy that $497 course, you're now going to earn 30% of that. Now let's go back over to my document here. Let's go down here and look at some commission examples. Again, these are just examples. I want to make it very clear, if you do nothing, you're going to get nothing. If you don't invite anybody into the system, there's no guarantee that they're going to buy anything within the system. But if you're not inviting people to set up a free student account, there's never the opportunity for them to ever buy anything. So that means you're not going to make anything. So again, these are just examples. This is no guarantee of what you're going to earn. This is kind of painting a picture of what's possible with the system. So in that example, let's see, one of your free students buys the $497 Academy. You just earned around $150. And what did you do? Did you sell that course to them? No, you gave them a free course to get into the system. They love what they saw. They saw another course that cost $497. They bought it, and you just earned 30% commissions. And that could have been like last month that person got in as a free student. You completely forgot about them, but the system did what the system's built to do, and that's to provide immense value, and then in turn uses invisible selling. Invisible selling is the training academies provide value. Through there, they talk about tools and resources in order to implement a strategy. And through that, those tools and resources are affiliate programs, and you can earn money from that. On top of, if when the courses come out that are actually paid courses, we don't have any right now, but we will. And if your student buys any of these courses, let's just say it's a $47 course, you just earned around $14 for inviting somebody into a system and setting up an account for free. The system sends out emails, invites them to the live trainings, invites them to different courses, gives them updates about the system, gets them excited, all that kind of stuff. They watch the video, they get taught, they buy an upgraded package. You just earn money. In addition to that, we have the Superlink system. So as a free affiliate, you can also earn residual income. And so right here, if I go over to the Superlink system, so this is a Superlink system. Basically what the Superlink system is, it's $100 a month, and that gives you the ability to unlock all the affiliate programs to be able to swap out your link. I'm going to go ahead and scroll down here. As you see, we have 12 now. We're going to have hundreds of affiliate programs that you, as an affiliate, if you're a Superlink subscriber, you're going to have the ability to swap out your affiliate link. And just think about the multiple streams of income that you have the potential to make. And again, all you're doing is inviting somebody into the system for free and coming in, swapping out your link. And if they go to one of the academies, let's just say the Website Design Academy, they watch the training and they're like, this is awesome, I want to get going, and they go over and they buy a high level. Your affiliate link is attached to this button, and they buy a high level. Now you're getting paid. You didn't sell them high level, you just got them in, again, where they're getting value, and then they want to buy the tool to be able to help them, which is high level here, in order to do the strategy. You just earn some extra commissions for that. So The Superlink system, let me go back here, is $100 a month. It allows you to swap out all your links. As you see, I've swapped out all mine so far. And in addition to that, you get plug and play sales pages for each of the trainings. As you see, here's the viral clipping, faceless content, YouTube training, paid marketing training, bridge marketing training. Each of these trainings has a link to a sales page that will basically sell that course to get somebody to sign up as a free student. And I'll give you an example here. Here's the page for the Viral Clipping Academy. So basically, I find somebody who's interested in learning how to do viral clipping. You know, they're interested in the video marketing and say, hey, I have a great course. I send them this link. They decide to set up their free account. They would go ahead and click on the button, go here, set up their free account, put in their information, first name, last name, email, create an account. Now I have a free student, and if they buy anything, then I'm going to earn income. So as a Superlink subscriber, you'll have the ability to do the same thing. If you're not a Superlink subscriber, then you'll be able to get the same page. You'll have the same page that I just showed you here. But instead of somebody being able to set up their account immediately, this will be an invitation system. So basically, your friend who you're trying to get some training, or somebody that you met online who is interested in the training, they'll fill out their information here, click on the button, and it will request an invite. And that invite will go into your system, and you'll have 72 hours in order to send them an invite from the system so they can set up their free account. And if you don't do that within 72 hours, it's going to expire. So that's the benefit, another benefit of having the Superlink system. So it's an incentive for anybody that you get in that loves what they see within the system. They want to swap out their affiliate links. And they also want to be able to have the pages where it goes directly to a sign up. They're going to pay that $100 a month, and everybody that does that comes through you, even if you're just a free affiliate, you're going to earn $30 per month, in around $30 per month for every subscriber, and that can add up very, very quickly. Again, you do nothing, you're going to get nothing. So let's go back to this document here. So again, you can get paid for any courses that they buy. Right now, we don't have any paid courses. All the courses in there are free, but there are going to be a lot of paid courses. Like, let's just say you have your base level courses, the free courses that are in there now, and then there's going to be an advanced level course that's going to cost money, and it could be any amount, $47, $197, $997, whatever it is. You're going to earn 30% of that. Again, you're a free affiliate. You didn't pay for anything to get in. You might be a Superlink subscriber. You know, if you're smart, you probably will be. Because once you get in, you'll see the benefit of that. But if you don't have the money, then don't worry about it. But you can still get paid when somebody you bring in decides to get the Superlink system. So I hope this helps you. Again, this is all about being a free affiliate. There's no pay to play. There's no roadblocks in your way. You don't have to buy anything in order to earn, and that's the important thing with this system. And then in video 2 and 3, I want to talk about the super affiliate and the master affiliate in order to help you understand how you can rank up and how you can actually start getting matching bonuses and also overriding commissions from your team and the team that starts to build within you. So basically what they did is they decided to take affiliate marketing and network marketing aspects of both and put them together in order to create a really, really comprehensive commission structure to be able to help you as an affiliate win. So if you have any questions, please drop a comment, reach out to me, contact me on Facebook. I'd love to help you. If you're ready to get started, click on the link below the video. You can set up your free account. You can kick the tires. You can see what's inside. From there, I will reach out to you. You know, if you sign up with me, you're going to get a personal video from me. I'm going to say hi. I'm going to say, hey, how can I help you? We can get on the phone, whatever your comfort level is. You know, I want to be able to connect with you because I'm in it to help as many people as I can, and I want to connect with you in order to do that. So thanks for watching, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon.